Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Video I'm going to be sharing with you all ways to perk up your breasts at home, and I hope that you find this video informative. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let's get started. Make sure that you are eating healthy fats. Breasts are made of fatty tissue, so they will not appear until you have gained body fat. Monounsaturated fats are the best fats for increasing breast size. Healthy fats include olive oil, nuts, cheese, avocados, yogurt, and granola. Avoid other fats that are unhealthy, like trans fats and saturated fats from fast foods and other processed food sources. These fats usually end up collecting on a part of the body that most of us women do not want to gain weight. And the most dreaded one being the stomach that we do not want to gain weight in. So make sure that you are avoiding any type of processed foods during your journey of making your breasts a little bit perkier. And of course, they can also cause other health issues like high cholesterol. Now the next tip that I have for you all is eat estrogen-rich foods. Estrogen is a potent female sex hormone, which at its proper levels can aid breast growth. Good sources of natural estrogen include pumpkin, garlic, red beans, lima beans, chickpeas, eggplant, flax seeds, and squash. Now if you all have not seen my previous videos on flax seeds, check them out. I will link them up in the cards above for you all on one of these sides, and you all will be able to learn all the great information about flax seeds and how they work to improve the body overall. Make sure that you increase your consumption of soy products, which can help the body increase its own estrogen levels and help to promote breast growth. Soy is also rich in protein and can help build and repair damaged tissues in the body. Try soy milk, soy nut butter, and so forth and so on in order to see results. Now make sure that you avoid foods that are rich in testosterone. Testosterone is the male equivalent of estrogen, which decreases breast growth. Avoid carb-rich foods such as chips, crackers, white rice, and baked goods to minimize the production of testosterone in your body. Now here's something that I recommend in most of my videos. Eat protein. Protein is one of the best ways to make your breasts grow. Try drinking more milk and eating more eggs, peanut butter, lean fish, chicken, and nuts. In any case, you should be trying to eat a well-balanced diet, irrespective of whether or not you are trying to make your breasts grow faster. If you eat more protein, your curves will be softer and round out nicely. Now this is always a good one. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables help regulate testosterone levels in the body, while the antioxidants in them further help build healthy tissue and protect against damage from free radicals. Make sure you are getting a minimum of 4 servings per day. Berries like blueberries are a great choice because they are high in antioxidants. Dates, cherries, apples, and plums should also be included because they contain more estrogen than other foods. Drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk every day. Now I know you're going,
that sounds disgusting.
But let me let you in on something. It definitely does help, although it is not extensive or well done. Some research has shown that one of the best ways to improve breast growth is to drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk Yes, you all, I am being extremely serious. Nutrients and vitamins found in these 2 ingredients help plump your breasts as long as you drink the mixture routinely. Also, of course, you could do some extra exercises in order to plump up this area. Anything that pretty much has to do with lifting up your arms and lifting weights should help with you getting perkier breasts at home. Now, this is something that a lot of us don't do, but we definitely should try, and that is massaging your breasts. It has been rumored, though remains scientifically unsolved, that massaging your breasts daily helps to stimulate blood flow and allows natural hormones taken in your diet to reach your breast tissue and in turn cause your breasts to grow. Now, that is one of the simplest and most effective ways, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you all would rather massage your breasts daily than drink milk and papaya. Don't worry, I can 100% understand that. Now, something else that I can recommend, which may be the most comfortable option for a lot of us, is stop wearing bras. A 15-year-old French study recently reported that bras can make your breasts sag over time. Researchers found that going braless helped to increase the elasticity of the breasts, making them perkier for longer times of our lives. Now, you can also try out breast enhancement herbs. Marshmallow root, for example, is one natural herb that can help. Keep in mind that there is no evidence that supports herbs for breast growth. Now, there are a lot of different things that you can try in order to increase the size of your breast at home. Let me know down below in the comment section if you will be testing out anything that has been mentioned in today's video. Please keep in mind that all of our bodies are different, so yes, these tips may help, but if they don't work for you, we're all different. All of our bodies react to things differently, and that is something that you have to keep in mind with all things. The same way that some of us are allergic to certain things and some of us are not. And those are the quick tips that I have to share with you all on today. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for sharing with me some comment section love, and thank you for watching and supporting your girl. It is always greatly appreciated. And if you are looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.